These 48-volt EZGO TXTs are pretty nice. But what if we took a 36-volt TXT, remodel it from rooftop to wheels, and make some really bad jokes along the way? It's time for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover, right now, on GCGTV.
Hey, welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover Season 2. You don't want to miss out on this one. We're doubling the monthly prizes this season to give you more chances per month to win, along with another $3,000 grand prize for a total $7,000 in store credit giveaways. So make sure you stay tuned to find out when and how to enter so you can trick out your own cart. I didn't want to start right off the bat with that, but my shop assistant Nick keeps pestering me to remind you about the sweepstakes. This whole thing was his idea. And you guessed it, we're going to be getting our hands filthy, making bad jokes, and covering tips and tricks as we look at customizing this EZGO TXT from rooftop to wheels, featuring the Mad Jax Storm Body Kit, Tsunami seats, and much more. And we'll cover researching, purchasing, custom planning, and installation in our Extreme Makeover, where we'll be taking this zero to hero. And there'll be something in this series for everyone, even those of you that don't have a TXT. We'll be featuring wheels, Nerf bars, seats, and much more that all have cross-model compatibility. So let's get started and get you up to speed with what's happened so far. Season 2 threw us a curveball when we started searching for our next cart to make over. The dealerships and auction sites that we've used in the past were all experiencing a real shortage, and most of the inventory we could find was already customized. So we decided to pivot and look at private sellers on this one. Imagine my surprise when I found out that Facebook was being used for something other than cat videos and arguing with strangers. We found a few great options on Marketplace and wound up striking a deal with a very cool little golf course not too far away to purchase their 2006 TXT that has spent its whole life as the mechanic service cart on the links. And here's a good time for a reality check as the first tip in our Season 2 premiere. When I say striking a deal, I mean we paid through the nose for it. So be prepared for prices to be higher than they were a few years ago if you're in the market for a project cart. That said, if you're looking to sell, now is a good time to research what carts are going for in your area. For tips on golf cart value, check out our video right here. This 36-volt buggy may look like a beater, but the golf course took great care of maintaining the batteries and powertrain. And since it was never governed for golfer driving, it's actually pretty quick. So it should make for a stunning transformation and a solid vehicle when it's all done. We made sure to get some stats before the custom work too. Our height measurement came out to 66.5 inches, and while we didn't get a radar test or anything, a quick check with a phone app showed a top speed of about 13 miles per hour. So we can at least check out what sort of increase we get from our work. That leads us to another great tip. Document everything as you go. Knowing how tall the cart is and what the result will be can help make sure you can still get it in and out of the garage. And taking pictures of the wiring prior to disconnecting parts like the charge receptacle and key switch can be a big help when putting everything back together. Next time, we'll take a look at dismantling the EZGO and installing a 5-inch drop axle lift and some beautiful 23-inch tires on 14-inch rims from Mad Jax. That is, if we can ever get Nick to stop talking my ear off. I mean, you guys can see him too, right? If you've ever thought about tackling a project cart, you can do it, and we'll share some great options as we tear open all these beautiful boxes from Mad Jax to see this awesome line of products. So don't miss out on the rest. Make sure to visit the series homepage at the address on your screen for sweepstakes details and to enter our monthly drawing. It's quick and painless to enter, and you can re-enter each month for more chances to win. Entries are open right now for our February giveaway, so don't wait. Get on over there right now to enter for your chance to be one of the 6 February winners. And before you go, subscribe below for more episodes so you can follow along with the whole transformation and find out next month if you're a lucky winner. If you need help with your cart, stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Thanks for watching GCGTV.